This video will show you how to install Ring Video Doorbell Elite. You'll need to install Ring Doorbell Elite before performing setup in the Ring app. Once you've run Ethernet cable and installed the Elite Power Kit, you're ready to install your Ring Elite. If you already have an existing junction box in the wall, you can use that and discard the provided Elite mounting bracket. If you don't already have an existing junction box in your wall, you'll have to install our mounting bracket, which serves as a low-voltage junction box. Use the enclosed template to trace the outline of the mounting bracket, then carefully cut a rectangle in your wall to install the bracket. Insert the mounting bracket into the hole. Tighten the screws to secure the mounting bracket to your wall, and pull the Ethernet cable through it. If you'll be wiring Ring Elite to an existing internal doorbell, pull the doorbell wiring through the opening in the middle of the bracket too. Insert the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on the back of Ring Elite. It will click into place. As soon as you plug the Ethernet cable in, the ring on the front of Ring Elite will start spinning and talk to you to let you know it's in setup mode.
Welcome to Ring, the world's most...
If this doesn't happen, check the connections to your Elite Power Kit. If you're wiring Ring Elite to an internal doorbell, shut off power at the breaker before continuing. Insert your doorbell wires into the small holes in the wire connector next to the Ethernet port. Don't worry, it doesn't matter which wire goes into which hole. Tighten the two small screws to secure the wires. Afterwards, restore power at the breaker. Now insert Ring Elite into the mounting bracket. Angle Ring Elite into the bottom of the bracket with the top leaning towards you. Then slide the top into the bracket. As Ring Elite fits into the bracket, use both thumbs to firmly press the top and bottom into the bracket simultaneously. Don't be afraid to apply some pressure, as it might be a tight fit. Secure Ring Elite by screwing in the top and bottom screws. You're now ready to complete setup in the Ring app, which you'll need to do before installing one of the provided faceplates.